Hi, let me teach you how to change alarm ringtone on iPhone. And for that, go ahead and open this default clock app. Now, on the bottom of the display, make sure to select Alarm, and you can adjust either existing alarm or you can click on plus and set new one. So adjust time, then you can of course set repeat, add label, enable snooze. But to change sound, we need to go in the corresponding section, sound. And now you can just switch to any different option from the list. So these are default ringtones. Also, if you want to, you can check classic version for the alarm ringtone. And to set it, just click it and use back arrow to save changes. Also, if you take a close look at the top, here you can pick your own song as an alarm sound. For that, click Pick a Song. But as you can see, for that we need to buy subscription to Apple Music. So also you can go in Tone Store and buy any song from here, because in this app you will find only non-free options. And also you can change haptics, which is vibration. And yep, don't forget to click Save button on top and you're ready to go. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.